Hey everybody, and in today's video we are going to see this SAM3 model which is just released by the Facebook, actually Meta Visions, and that is absolutely overpowered. And in that we are going to try to do some examples and see the real power of it. And did it just buried the computer visions? We will see, and these are its state-of-the-art performances. But what they had actually done is they have merged the LLM power inside computer visions. So this is going to be both of the best match ever, and we will see that thoroughly. And you can see that we just have to give the segmentations, just have to write the prompt, and it will segment the data for us actually. So let's try to do it. And basically, before trying to do it, it's an open source, so you can use it for the commercial use. Just need a heavy processor, a heavy device, and you are good to go. And this is actually really overpowered, like the traditional models if we talk about, which we actually did a lot. But now, if we are going to just try it, let's try it. Let's let's see where it takes us. Okay, this is not where we're supposed to be. We have to try this new model. Yes, we can try it at the playground. We don't want to try the older one. We want to try the SAM3. Okay, let's do it. All right, so we have 3 options and 4 options actually. We can actually turn the scene into 3D. We can create 3D bodies. And what we can also do is we can just create a cutout videos. So let's try it out with that one. So first of all, I have to upload a video. So I can take any video from my own processor. Let's take and go into the downloads, and I can choose anyone, but I want to choose a little smaller one so we don't have to just sit around and watch it getting load. So if I upload this one. Okay, it's taking a little time to upload. But the video is really small, I guess. I hope I choose the very small one. You can skip the video 10 seconds and see if it's uploaded or not. All right, so the video has been loaded, and we can see a one footballer there, and there is a one ball, and there we go. We have a describe object here. So you see that there are multiple options that are already there. But okay, let's say we want to say the soccer ball. Okay, so you can see it automatically detected, no pinpointing the object. Remember, we did pinpoint and then it just segment that. No more. Now it's all LLM actually. So I say, okay, you have to do it in the entire video. So the ball is not going to be stationary, right? The ball is going to move. He's going to kick the ball and ball going to go in the net. And you see how accurately he segmented. And that is actually insane. We have to train a YOLO model to actually do that. And we have to train a large one in order to just find the right accuracy. And look at this. I didn't see it even missed a one frame, and that is actually insane. And let's try the other ones also. Let's try this one. Let's try it with the image one. Let's say I have an image. Let's try to pick any image. Okay. Where? Maybe, yeah, this one seemed right. Let's try it out. Okay, it's going to take a little while to load again, but that is actually insane. Okay. All right, so we have a large amount of cars. So if we are going to say them to segment cars, this is going to be a pretty easy job for him. And it's going to segment all the cars, as we already seen that it has segmented the balls. Now what we are trying to do is let's tell it to segment a bus, because there are not much of a buses, and I can see only 2 buses. No. There is also a bus there. There's also a bus there. There is also a bus there. And you can see that it's done it very, very accurately. You can even saw these trucks are not included in the buses, and not even this one because this is not a bus. And it done it pretty cleverly and absolutely magnificent. So let's try to do something different and let's try to say it yellow cars. Let's try to see that if it can do that. Sorry for that. Oh, still now. Come on. I just have to type with the one hand. That is why it's happening. Okay, yellow cars. And yeah, you can see that. It segment only the yellow cars, and that is absolutely insane. How fast it is, how fast it's doing the job, and you can see that how data annotation is gonna come so easy for a model if you have to train. But I don't think so. You have to train models when you have this kind of robust model with you, and you can do anything with that thing. And that is absolutely insane. So I hope you like the video. I hope you want to try it yourself. We hadn't tried two other models, this 3D one and 3D bodies, but I could tell you they're actually insane. I can actually tell you because they are going to cut out the body with the 3D structure and just going to show you that, okay, that's how you look like in a 3D. That is actually insane. I want you to try. And there is also, you can do like tracking and these kind of stuff in the video. And we saw the tracking also on our beautiful ball. It was not actually tracking, it's just detecting, but we can also try to track it. And I want you to do that. And I hope you like the video. So the technology is just raising the bar for every one of us. So let's hope we don't stay behind. Okay, so goodbye.